Today we're going to be replacing these front headlights, and we are going to convert to LEDs. I got this conversion kit from the Headlight Experts. Check them out. These are H13 bulbs. Go ahead and open this up here. These are plug and play, guys. Get your wiring here. This plugs into the existing wiring in the car. And I'm going to pull the bulb out here. Be careful with it. It looks like there's a little fan in there to keep it cool with the aluminum heat sink around it. And there are the diodes. This looks like an aluminum housing. So we're going to go ahead and get started here. Alright, first off, pull this connector off here. So you have to pull this gray looking or white plastic piece towards the rear of the car and then push down on this connector and pull it back like so. And just take your bulb, turn it counterclockwise. There we go. I'm going to set this aside. It's still a good bulb. I'm going to hang on to it. Just be careful not to touch the glass with your fingers. The oil from your fingers can actually shorten the bulb life. Let me take our new unit. There we go. Line the tabs up, turn it clockwise until it stops. There we go. Now I can take this connector that they gave me and just plug it right into this existing connector here. Simply just pushes in. It can only go in one way. Push it until it stops. You won't hear a click or anything with this one. It's different. So go ahead and just leave that there, and that should be it. Just do the same thing for the other side. I'm going to go ahead and try this out first before I continue. Okay, that's what it looks like, guys. It's very bright. You have that really bright white look. Here's the stock bulb. You can actually hear this fan back here. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed with that. Can't wait to take it out and see what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and do this other side. Alright guys, same thing with this side. It's a little tighter over here due to the filler neck, the washer fluid, but same thing. We'll go ahead and pull this connector off. Let's pull it straight back. Alright, and then same thing, counterclockwise, quarter turn. Pull your bulb out. I'm going to save this. And here's our new LED light. Okay, so when you go to insert the bulb, make sure this wiring here is down. And then once it's in there flush, you can go ahead and tighten it clockwise. Okay. Now we take our connections here. Let's push them together. This is very simple to do, guys. Just tight to work in here, that's all. Okay. Alright, that looks good. Tuck that back there. Alright. I like it. Go ahead and turn the lights back on again. Make sure it works. I can hear that fan. I don't know if you guys can too, but I can hear that one. It seems like the fan spins faster as this heats up, which makes sense.
Alright, let's take this thing outside, see what it looks like in the dark. Definitely a lot brighter. It looks a lot better in person, I'll tell you that. Alright, this is the low beam. Let's do the high beam. There's high. Low. That looks pretty good. I like it. I'm happy with it, guys. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hit that like button. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.